So recently we obtained the Samson 44-foot vessel. I'm super excited to have this vessel added to the fleet. One of the features that this vessel has, it has multiple ways to inspect the various types of gears that we would monitor. That includes a hauling drum to inspect lobster fishing equipment for larger crab pots that we inspect. It has a hydraulic boom that's capable of lifting up to 1,000 pounds.
With this boat we have much more deck space. We can put a lot more gear on board. Yeah, it'll handle much more weather. Where it wouldn't be safe to go before, and say if we had to seize a load of traps and load the boat, we'll be able to do it with this, no problem.
We're extremely proud to have this vessel, and one of the things that makes us proud is that it was locally built here in Nova Scotia. One of the nice things about having this vessel is that it improves our ability to be on the water and to ensure compliance for a longer period of time.